Hello guys, this is Leishang Cosmetic Tours Company. Today, let me show you one of our brush set. As you can see, it was fantastic. We call it star-shaped transparent handle brush set. Okay, let me introduce its bristle shape first. And this one is the powder brush, contour, smaller fan brush, foundation. We found one double-end brush for eyeshadow, and this one also you can use for eyeshadow or highlight. Okay, it totally in 6 pieces, but you can got 7 pieces exactly. The next step, I will show you exactly with the bristle. As you can see, this bristle was made by synthetic, and it was fluffy and resilient. Also, it was odorless, cruelty-freeness. Let me introduce the foil for you. It was made by aluminum. As you can taste the foil like this. It was screw leakage, no scratches, all of them. The next step was the point today. It was the handle. This handle was really amazing and beautiful. It was transparent, and you will find some star-shaped glitter inside and was shiny. So totally the color was matched this bristle, the tip of this bristle. I like this brush set myself. If you have other details, need to know more about this brush set, such as their MOQ or logo print demand, you can contact our salesperson to leave the message or send me email.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.